Hello everyone, I am R. Balakrishna from First BBA. Now I am talk about DoorDash. DoorDash has local commerce and delivery, connecting communities with conversation one delivery at the time. DoorDash has rapidly grown from a startup idea to a global leader in local commerce. From Stanford Dome to global leader, founded in 2013 by visionary Stanford students Tony Xu and Frank Stanley Tang and Evan Morey. Door has been with a simple yet powerful ideas. It started a Palo Alto Delivery.com, a humble service aimed at assigning a local macroom shop with deliveries, quickly revealing a massive unmet needed. Seen funding from Y Combinator providing the cultural landscape, igniting DoorDash rapid growth tangibly and setting the stages of its future dominance. Market dominance in the US. Leading the pack, DoorDash has commands over 60% of market share in US food, delivered and conversation retail, showcasing its stronger position and consumer preference. Waste Network. As a 2020, DoorDash effectively served more than 450,000 merchants and received over 20 million customers, forecasting a bursting ecosystem. Global research. By 2025, the company influence extend to 45 countries through statistics, subsidiaries like Deliveroo and Volt marketing significant international inscriptions and is expand his business widely. $1 trillion impact on local economics. Marketplace gross order value 25 billion, a market gross order value demonstrating immer economic activity. Quarterly revenue, its alone DoorDash granulate 3.4 billion in revenue, reflecting robust financial platform. Countries of operation. DoorDash proudly operates in over 30 countries, expanding its service and impact globally. By 2024, the company dedicated workforce give to 23,000 employees, driving its continued success. Innovation of the core, technology and logistics. DoorDash revenues cutting edge technological from real-time order tracking and flexible delivery options, accessible via its innovation app and websites. The company launched grocery shopping intelligence with ChatGPT in later 2025, enhancing conversation and professional for users. Though DoorDash drive a work offered while label delivery service, empowering business with effective logistics solutions.